I'm going to show you how you can correctly use TikTok Shop coupon codes. Now from TikTok Shop here, let's go ahead first and pick a product we want to buy. First off, maybe I want to buy this jacket here. Now, once I pick this jacket, the thing I'm gonna do now is gonna click on buy now, free shipping here, so we can get a free shipping promo code here, right? Now, all you have to do, scroll down and then go to this page here, TikTok Shop discount here, right? Now, on this TikTok Shop discount, you want to claim a couple of these discounts here, right? So there's a couple like shipping coupon, and shipping coupon. If you want to claim this, tap on claim like this, right? Now you got a coupon. Tap on claim here. Now you got a coupon as well. You can see now we have shipping coupons. Not only that, we can also add in our promo codes here. If you have your own individual promo code that you found in the internet, or maybe you found it from a friend, it doesn't matter, then you can enter it in here and then tap on apply, which will apply the promo code. But there is very little in circulation right now, so your best bet is obviously getting the free shipping discount from the TikTok Shop itself.